Introducing the Starcatcher Mini Wholecloth. In this mini Wholecloth class, you'll learn how to use a 15-inch stencil, practice drawing quilting motifs, arrange them in the stencil design, and start quilting. We'll prep the fabric and create 5 unique designs to fill this mini Wholecloth space. Using the techniques developed in the book Free-Motion Framework, this course is delivered to your inbox over the course of 4 days. Day 1 is drawing, Day 2, fabric prep, Day 3, the first 3 quilting designs, which you see here, and on Day 4, the last 2 designs. The course is set up for you to give yourself a no-pressure, low-cost way to practice your quilting style while accidentally creating a whole-cloth quilt. And of course, your quilt may vary from the one in the sample, but we encourage you to give it a try and practice those skills. The course is taught by me, Jen Eskridge, the author of Free-Motion Framework, and is only available at thequiltyquill.com.